Alright guys, so all the other mods came, including the Shinko tires and the handlebars. So today in this video, we're just going to be putting them on and seeing how it looks. The handlebars actually have a big secret, so stay to the end of the video to see what that secret is. So let's go. Alright, so the first thing we're going to be putting on are these bars. So we're just going to take everything off the handlebars and then swap the bars out real quick. Alright, so we got the bars off, all the brake levers, throttle, all that's hanging. It wasn't hard, it took like 5 minutes at most. So yeah, we're just gonna do a bar comparison real quick. Alright, so this is the old versus new bars. As you can tell, the old stock bars were made of some like cheap metal aluminum. These new ones, these are like really high quality. You can just tell from the look of it. So yeah, let's put these on. Alright, so we got the bars on and it's looking really good. And it really wasn't hard, it took like 10 minutes. So about the bars, they look, I don't know, they look and they feel a bit lower rise than the old ones, and they're not like as far forward, if you know what I mean. For the Shinko tires, I just took them to a shop because I didn't want to mess anything up. So yeah, they're on and I've ridden it a little bit and they're really nice. It just makes the ride smooth and it's so easy to pop like the wheel up when you're wheeling and keep it up, because like it's not how bad my rear tire was. If you know, you know. Now that all the mods are on, I'm gonna tell you guys about like the secret, I guess, on the bars. So I'm pretty sure these bars are made in the same factory as the Pro Taper bars because they feel and they look the exact same. They're just branded as this like Rutu brand or whatever, but they feel the exact same as Pro Taper bars. So I'm not sure, but I'm guessing they are. So yeah, if you guys need new tires, definitely get these Shinko tires because I think they were like around $40 each, but they are like the best upgrade that I've gotten on this bike so far. They feel so nice. And if your bars have bent like mine, definitely get these Rutu bars. Don't get the Pro Taper ones. Those are like $70. These bars are like $40 and they're very high quality. So yeah, get these. And even if you haven't bent your bars, it's also a good upgrade. So if you guys are planning on getting anything from Soleil Supplies, use my code SoleilGNG5 for 5% off. And if you're planning on getting a Tuttio, use that same code for a discount. So thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.